Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about text to speech in Python. We need to download GTTS module. We can use pip command on our terminal. We can type pip install GTTS and hit enter. So we are done installing it, and now we can use in our code. From GTTS import GTTS, and we are going to import OS module, and we need to open a file. So that will be file, and we are going to use open function and pass in file name. I will create a file readme or readme.txt, and we are going to open in our read mode. From this file, we are going to read the text using a read function, and then we get the speech by using GTDS and text set to file and language set to English and set slow option to false. And now we can save this file as mp3 file. So speech save, and this will be audio dot mp3, and then we can open this file using OS modules or run this file, and so the audio mp3. I'm going to create the text file. Just have hello world, and I will save as just text, regular text file, maybe helper. Okay, this file should be readme.txt, so I will copy the name from here. I'll save as now. I added a complete path to my readme file and also where I want to save the audio file, and then we are going to run the default player for that. So we just need to run
Hello world.
So this is our simple text to speech in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Asim Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.